I really appreciate you taking the time to meet with me today.
This is really an honor because it's just been a fabulous journey. And I just get so passionate about it. No one's safe around me because I want to talk about it.
I love that. So tell me how your life has changed since going plant-based.
Well, I have zero inflammation in my body, so I feel like 10 years younger. And I have way more energy. My head is a little clearer. And it's just a fabulous lifestyle change.
So can you tell me how your outlook on your future has changed since you've made this lifestyle change?
Well, I just came back from a trip to France, Rick Steves' trip, and I walked like 5-6 miles a day with cobblestones and going straight up and coming down. And I did wonderful. And I would not have been able to do that a few years ago. I would have really been struggling.
Can you tell me what some of your favorite meals are?
Oh, I just made it, I love snap peas and I love mango. So I've done this salad over and over again. It is snap peas, mango, red onion, cilantro, and lime juice, and risotto, and then a little red wine vinegar, little agave. It is just mind-blowing, and people request it. So, but potatoes are my number one. I love potatoes of any kind. And when I travel, I have my purse potatoes, I carry my little bag. Yeah, it's not a hardship at all.
That's great. So what would you tell someone that's thinking about going on this journey but is hesitant?
I would tell them, please don't hesitate. Just jump in full blast and give it a shot. Give it a week and see what happens to you. Just really commit to it for a week and see what happens. And I have told several people, the people that really need to hear it don't want to hear it. So it's like they have the blockers on. But I do have a friend that started out at 217. She's now 152. So she's, just as crazy as me, and we get together and share meals. And my sister got on the bandwagon as well. And she has lost 30 pounds. She's in her, 120s. Good grief.
That's great.
I haven't been there since high school. So she was so excited. Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Is there anything you'd like to share with us that I haven't asked about?
Oh, gosh. What would it be? I just have bigger plans for my future. I'm going to travel more and just enjoy more. And I was trying to figure out if there's a way that I live in a community and I bring my little vegan dishes, the carrot thing, the little smokies. They look like little smokies and I roll them up in the crescent roll. I know that's not the best thing, but it's at least a starter, and they go cuckoo for them. So I figured, is there a way that I could offer vegan meals to people that want to try or something? So I'm thinking about doing something like that.
That's great. It's so nice to hear how your life has changed for the better.
It has. Another thing that's happened for me is, the COVID and all the political stuff. I have done a lot of shedding, not just weight, just shedding of people that were really not, in my space that and I feel so much better about that. It was tough. It was really tough, but I did it, and I'm really happy about that. I'm reading a book right now. It's called Living Your Future Self. So I'm projecting where in the world would I like to be in 10 years, And so I'm trying to live that now.
Would you recommend the book? Is it well written? Do you like it?
I like it. My brother told me about it, and I've been listening to it. It's a young guy. I mean, what does he know? But apparently he knows something. And, it's like basic things. You can tell how long you're going to live by the way you move. People have a short expiration date if they cannot get on the floor and get back up in a way that makes sense. So that I'm really going to be working on.
Oh, good. Remember Jack's functional fitness, right? I mean, he's all about teaching people how to get onto the ground and get up again, and things that we don't think about as we get older, but are so important. Yeah.
Yeah. I've just been so focused on the eating part. I kind of got lost on the floor.
That's easy to do. I'm guilty as well. Well, I really appreciate your time, Renee. Are you okay with me sharing some of this interview on YouTube?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. I am just so happy that I did it. And I really encourage anyone who's even considering it to just do it. And you can always change your mind, but what do you have to lose?
Excellent point. Thanks, Renee. I appreciate your time.
Thank you, Heather. It was really lovely having this one-on-one with you.
Yeah, you too. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.